Ah,
Kung gusto niyo po mag-join today, i-charge lang kayo siya ng 500 pesos per head just in case lang po.
sa breakfast?
Sa buffet po.
Oh.
Okay, and then this is your bell up.
Mm.
You can bring your sleepers po.
Oh. Good morning. Hey, thank you.
And you can put your sleepers.
Oh.
Okay. Tura po yung messages. So, kinonvert namin yung dalawa downstairs, tapos yung master bed is upstairs po.
Ah,
If
okay.
ever kung gusto nyo din po, sir, separate po matulog, just itaas na lang po, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Switch sa lights. Dito lang ng curtains. Ito po yung remote po sa aircon downstairs. And then, ito po yung bathroom. May beach bag with the beach towels inside po, sir. And then, sa likod po nito is yung outdoor shower po. Kung gusto nyo magpa-laundry, it's 1,000 pesos per load po, sir.
Okay.
And then, nandito yung menu natin for the meals and then Wi-Fi password. If you want to book a massage, wala tayong spa, they will do it inside your villa po.
Oh, okay.
And then coffee and tea, kung gusto niyo po, sir, you can make your own. Then ito lang po yung drinkable water natin. Can drinks is 80, bottle is 70, tapos yung water is free. And then yan po may mga price po tayo. And then, let's go upstairs po. Tapos nandito sa ibabaw yung master bed. Just itaso lang po, kailangan i-convert yung side to side, sir. And then, may view naman kayo doon direct sa sea view po, sir.
Oh, okay.
Okay, do you have question pa po?